Hi Roses, let's go ahead and get into this braid out. So as the title says, this braid out is the product of 6 braids. Yes, only 6 braids. Now if you've been paying attention to the videos I've been uploading, I've been using products by Pydana collection. And the same products I use in those 2 previous videos are the same products I use in my hair. I'll go ahead and leave the details on those products in the description box in case you were wondering. Now just because this video is sped up, don't get me wrong, I don't take my time when I take down braids or twists. I just don't have time for that. I'm a busy mom. So yeah, what you see is what you get right here. So Roses, I called myself trying to get cute today to make myself feel better. I even put on lashes. These lashes are from TEACUP Cosmetics. I think I did all right. What y'all think? Yes, when I decided to do this, so this wasn't even a planned video, you guys. I had a migraine. I was not feeling nothing. But for some reason, I always seem to do something with some makeup or some hair to make myself feel a little better. Sometimes it's true what they say. When you look better, you feel better. In this case, it didn't work, but I still decided to share this video with you guys. I mean, look at the shine on my hair. Look at the definition. I think it's pretty nice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the description box, okay? And if you've watched this far into the video, make sure you subscribe. Okay? All right. And, you know, while I'm talking about what I have on today, my hair, this is the result of the braid out I did a few days ago. It was dry the next day, but it was wrap Wednesday. I was wearing a wrap, so I just kept the braids in until today. And then I fluffed the mess out of this.